Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming?
Hello, welcome to the vlog. I'm running not late, but I was sort of in a rush this morning, so I didn't get to record that well. Anyways, we are heading to our auntie's to university. She lives very close to the university, so that's why we was parking at hers. It's very poor weather today, which is not my favorite, but oh well. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool.
So I finally made it to school, and I don't actually have a lesson or lecture yet. I have my first seminar session at 1 o'clock, but I thought to come in early because I just want to do some work and get a presentation that I need to make for today, just to finish that off. Like you know from earlier, I drove to my auntie's to park there so that my sister, who actually has a lecture actually she has lab at 9 a.m. could go, so I just ended up walking with her, but now I'm just going to do some work.
I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same.
Going up.
So I'm heading up to the third floor because I think I haven't really been there before and I want to study there, so why not?
Going down.
Okay, so there were loads of people on that floor, so I don't want to be recording there. I might go back down to where I was and just find a computer. So here I am, just sort of logging into my student portal and finding the presentations for this week's topic, which is anemia. I'm also taking notes using OneNote on the side, and yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing.
How they turn up in CO2 and water via the three pathways, which one? Two pathways, yes?
So glycolysis.
Yes.
I think we were right if it's about from these two.
Yeah, we all know.
No, we could put them together. Me and my classmate had similar Quizlets to present for the group, so we decided to merge them together.
I'm doing
a little vlog.
And then you make 10 questions. It makes it much more sense. I think that could be fun. It's challenging. Just to get
What, should we do 10? Yeah, I just put my screen is £12. I'm not gonna pay £50.
I finished school around like 3:15, and then I went for a house viewing or flat viewing around like 5 o'clock, because I walked all the way to my auntie's, and now I'm home. So what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night is obviously eat dinner and do a little bit of more revision. I normally just do like 2 hours max in the evening. I don't like to spend too much time. If I'm going through like questions, for example, as a part of my revision, I might spend more time, but at this moment in time, I'm just gonna do 2 hours. Let's say 2 hours 30, and then that's it for today. Tomorrow I have some lectures and some seminars and online stuff, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow, so I will bring you guys along. So yeah, some lasagna. Hello guys, it's currently 8:31 and I have still not done any work after I ate dinner. I took a long ass break and I kind of regret it now, but I'm too tired to do strenuous work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna watch a couple of videos on lectures that I'm gonna have tomorrow, so that I have like sort of an awareness of what's gonna happen tomorrow, what I'm gonna learn about. So I was waffling too much, so let's move on. Even though I said I was just going to watch a couple of videos on the topic anemia, I decided to just do some of the lecture, prepare myself, and yeah, so I'm just drawing some diagrams that was on the PowerPoint and just taking notes really.
Bodies, we have two main forms of iron. Blood, we can find red blood cells here, of these irons. Well, they have two main fates: oasis in the bone marrow, the production of red blood cells. The pre-red blood cells can then become mature.
So we're on our way to school. We woke up a bit late, so we missed the first bus. So I take the second bus, which is basically a little bit further than the uni. It's at the hospital, but it's quite close in terms of like walking distance. So yeah. Oh, do you have anything to say? Looks like I'm the first one. Yikes. So I finally made it to the library. I'm at this picture room with my sister. Say hi. Okay, So I'm just gonna do 30 minutes of studying here, and then I booked another room upstairs, which is literally in the basement right now. Like, it looks a little bit like confined. It is whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna do 30 minutes and then go upstairs and then do an hour, and then that's it for like studying on campus, and then I will go home and probably do some studying then. So you bought some brownies. How are they? It's fudge cake actually. All right. It's alright actually. Yeah. Let's have a look. It's quite rich in chocolate, obviously. Yeah. So you basically have a bakery shop that comes, that's actually in the city, but it comes every Tuesday and Thursdays to school to sell some of their pastries and stuff like that. So it's very popular. So we have to sort of like hurry up and get it before lunchtime is over, which is like around 11:30 to 12. If not, then you're not gonna see your favorites there. So yeah, so they didn't have what I wanted, which was Danish pastries, so I'm just gonna buy maybe tomorrow or another day or Thursday, we'll see. So we're going to our second booked study room, and then after that we're going home. So yeah, we're gonna stay there for like an hour, probably, or 30 minutes, we'll see. Tell us what happened. We're in the toilets right now. What happened? Are you not gonna explain? It's basically she got stuck in the toilets. The door didn't want to open up, so I had to get someone to come and open it up. How do you feel?
It was quite quick, so I'm not too worried.
Yummy. Hello, so I just came back from school now. I might do a little bit more revision later on tonight, but right now I'm just gonna like relax and eat dinner soon. So I think I'm just gonna end the video here, unless I put in some more clips of me studying later on, we will see. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.